In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bad gateway 502 error from Cloudflare. If you see a 502 bad gateway message, don't panic. This error usually means Cloudflare couldn't get a valid response from the website server. It's often temporary and in many cases, not your fault. Let's walk through a simple, reliable flow to get you back online quickly. First, refresh the page. Sometimes the connection between your browser, Cloudflare, and the site server has a momentary hiccup. Click the refresh button or use your keyboard shortcut to reload. Give it a couple of tries and wait a few seconds between attempts so the server has time to respond. Next, check your internet connection by turning Wi-Fi off and then back on. This quick reset can clear minor network glitches. After you reconnect, try loading a different website to confirm your connection is working. If other sites load fine, return to the original page and try again. If you're on mobile data, briefly toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh the connection before retrying. If the error persists, try another browser, such as Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Different browsers handle cached content, security settings, and extensions in slightly different ways. Switching helps you rule out a browser-specific quirk. If the page opens in the alternate browser, you'll know the issue was likely related to your original one. If switching browsers didn't help, clear your browser cache. Old or corrupted cached files can cause a mismatch between what your browser expects and what the server delivers. Go to Settings, then Privacy, and choose Clear Browsing Data. Select cached images and files and clear them. You can usually leave cookies and save passwords unchecked to avoid signing out of sites, but if you don't mind re-authenticating, clearing more data can sometimes be more thorough. After clearing, close and reopen the browser, then revisit the page. Finally, try again later. Most of the time, a 502 with Cloudflare indicates a server-side issue, like the origin server being overloaded, restarting, or returning an invalid response. In those cases, there's nothing you can do on your device to fix it immediately. Waiting a few minutes and checking back often resolves the problem once the server recovers. To recap, refresh the page, reset your connection by toggling Wi-Fi, try a different browser, clear your cache, and, if needed, give it a little time. Follow these steps in order, and you'll either fix the problem or confidently know it's on the server's end. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get past that 502 error fast.